Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and this is an unboxing. This is a true unboxing. As you can see, I've had to blacken out my address, but this is a true unboxing and this is a monumental moment. I have done some previous luxury unboxings, but this is my very first luxury handbag purchase, and also this is my very first purchase from Louis Vuitton. So they just delivered this. I just signed for it, and this is a true unboxing, so I wanted to do it with you. I brought my scissors just in case it's not gonna work. If I lose a nail in this process, forgive me, because I am so excited. I have been waiting for this thing all day, and they made sure they made me wait till the very end of the day. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right, let me turn this around. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I had to do my nails for this occasion. All right, okay. Oh, this is the little gift I sent to myself. All right, guys, now you know on this channel we are beautiful body and soul. So when dealing with this beauty, I made sure to send a message from my soul. I always, even if I'm purchasing for myself, send a message from the universe, because it is my belief that makes all this possible. So it says, Zipporah, you deserve this and the world, so much more to come. Enjoy. All that is. So yeah, that's from my all that is. Oh, you deserve this, girl. You deserve this, girl. Now, okay, I could have gone in store. I have a store here, but right now everyone's masked up and they're only letting 2 people in at a time. And my husband was originally gonna go in there for me, and he was like, after 30 minutes, he couldn't do it. So I just decided to pick a bag out online. Thank you for everybody getting online. That helps me. So I went to the Louis Vuitton US website. And I'm surprised there's not a lot of bells and whistles in here, like wrapping paper and stuff like that. If you buy from contemporary brands, this stuff is wrapped tight. You've seen some of my Michael Kors unboxings, and you know that stuff is wrapped tight. So I want to see, I do these unboxings so that you guys can see and get an idea of what you can expect if you ordered from these people. So here's what you can expect. I don't know if there's going to be any paper in this, but here is the bag. Definitely comes with a dust bag, as you can see. It says Louis Vuitton. And this is directly from the US website, Louis Vuitton. So this is real, it's not a replica or something like that. But yeah, it comes out like this. No paper. But as you can see, or maybe you cannot tell, this is the Louis Vuitton New Wave chain bag in the MM size, color black, and I am so excited. This is calfskin leather. It's actually softer than I expected. I wonder if they updated this for this year, because this is softer than what it looks like it would be when people have been reviewing it, that from the reviews that I've seen online. I've got it because it's a very structured bag, but this seems pretty soft. It has a push button lock. Okay, so this is the controversial part. Oh, sorry, I'm in my kids' room because the baby's sleeping in my room. And here, have a poppy interlude. That's why I love you, so don't be afraid to let them show. Are beautiful. Oh my gosh. You see how the universe works? Now Poppy started singing some True Colors, and so I guess Spirit wanted me to show you this before I went on. This was the controversy with this bag. Look at this. Let me, hold on, just stand up, just stand up. Maybe I'll just take it out of the box. I don't know why I'm keeping it in there. Okay, this was the controversy with this bag. So it comes with this, which I love. Look at this. This is a handle, a removable handle for this bag, so it can be a hand-carried bag. And just look at how cute it is. And this is something quality, okay? And it attaches on both sides. It says Louis Vuitton, and on this it says Louis Vuitton, made in Italy. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. It says Louis Vuitton on both of these things. But this is a detachable handle for this bag, right? And you can wear it colorful, or if you don't like all this color, you can flip it upside down and wear it just like that, and that looks boss, okay? Just on this black side, that looks really good. But if you want to be more fun and more casual, you can wear it like this. And I am so happy it came with this, because if you don't want to wear it at all, if you just want to wear it like this and make it look more classic, you can just use this as such a cute like keychain, or you can use it as a really cool bag charm, like hang it down from a bag or something like that. I've seen one girl like try to fold it and make a little bracelet out of it too, but it's a nice quality little piece. And yeah, so if you want to hand carry. All right, so clearly, wow, this bag, this chain is really substantial, like everybody says. It is nice and heavy. This is the black again, and this is an antiqued gold hardware. It is not like a shiny hardware, but it's beautiful. Yeah, this is a lot softer. It's a structured bag, but it's a lot softer than what it looked like when other people were reviewing it. So opening this bag, again, this is calfskin leather. Here is what it looks like inside. It's just an open compartment, and then there is a little slip pocket in the back, and that is where you will find what looks like it's going to be the care instructions. And it says New Wave. And yes, my hands are dry. Please excuse them, because I was not about to have any lotion on while unboxing this. Yeah, I'm not going to read all this. Yeah, we're not gonna do that because I don't have time. But yeah, microfiber lining, all that stuff. I don't see any type of authenticity card or anything like that. Maybe Louis doesn't come with that, and now I'm just learning that. This is my first purchase from them. How would I know? So no authenticity card. It has a little plastic that is on here. With these nails, I really can't get it off, but it is taped right here, so that's nice to see. Oh, this has a little white little thingy. It says Louis Vuitton on the inside of these studs. I guess this is so it doesn't scratch up. Look, this is soft, guys. And I think that so that it doesn't scratch the surface of the hardware when you're trying to close it. So anyway, I'm really excited about this bag. I've been waiting for it all week. You're gonna be seeing me style this a lot. Now, I wanted this bag because I actually wanted a chain bag. This is my first ever, well, it's not my first chain bag, but I wanted a chain bag that could go from long single strap to double strap, so you could wear it like short shoulder carry like this on your shoulder, or you can, you know, wear it long like this, crossbody, or, you know, long shoulder. And then it was just, like I said, it is a bonus that you could put this on and also carry it as a handle like that. Is cute. But I wanted to go, this was a wonderful price. Like if you're in the market for a I don't have time in this video because I just had a newborn and I am on borrowed time right now, so I just wanted to unbox this and show you this. This is the New Wave chain bag in the MM size, and I will have like what fits video. I will have first impressions where I'll go through it more, but I just really wanted to give you this unboxing. And honestly, I have to say it is like a little lackluster, I gotta say. Like, just put it in a dust bag and then just drop it off. I would have liked to see some more packaging on here. Like I said, less expensive brands, like there would be like some type of, I don't know, not plastic is what the word I'm looking for, but styrofoam bit that went here to like protect the bag and stuff. It would be wrapped up tight. All of this would be wrapped. But all right, whatever. That's what we're expecting. But this inside is bigger than people made it look like on videos. And I have to say, guys, people are sleeping on this bag. This is Louis Vuitton's, if I'm not mistaken, only quilted chain bag. And People make a lot of comparisons between it and the Gucci Marmont. I think it looks completely different than the Gucci Marmont, and I'll explain why in other videos. I do not have time today. So all in all, I am really excited about this bag. This is a great option if you want to stick with the Louis Vuitton brand, but you want a quilted chain bag that gives you the option of short shoulder carry and long shoulder carry, and also gives you the bonus option of handle carry. Like, oh my gosh, this bag is so versatile. This was a great price. Now, it did go through a price increase, about $200. It was once like 22 something and now it's like 24 something. I still think it's a great price for this bag, especially from Louis Vuitton. It was between this and the Gucci Marmont, and I went with this. Even though this was more expensive than the Marmont, but I wanted a Louis bag, and I'm so glad that they came out with a quilted chain bag, you know, so that I can, you know, get a piece of the Louis history. That's why I actually like designer items, because I feel like it's a part of history. Like, this brand has been around since 1854. You're getting a part of history. But whatever, I'm an art historian, or at least that's how I see myself. Black color in both the PM and the MM size. The PM is smaller, it's like a real mini bag, but it's still so cute. And they have multiple colors, like the pink in this is so cute, the hazelnut in this is so cute, but all of those colors when I looked online were sold out. In the PM and the MM, again, is the black that's left. This is so cute. I am just so excited. And I have to tell you guys, if you're weirded out by the shape of the bag, look at videos where they're trying it on. I tell you, pictures don't do it enough justice. Like, it looks way better on and in person than in photos. So, because when I first saw this, I was like, yeesh. And now I'm just like, woo! This bag is hot. It is sexy. And this is pretty open and spacious. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. All right, have a gorgeous day. Bye.